At 50, I thought I understood life well enough that very little could surprise me anymore. Then, I became a mom, and I realized that this journey would demand more from me than I ever imagined. Every day begins with a new routine. It's time to pump, clean the equipment, store the milk, then get everything ready for the next session. It may sound simple, but repeating the same routine several times a day can be a real challenge. Some mornings I wake up after barely sleeping all night. My body feels exhausted. My mind feels foggy, but I still try to stick to my routine. Some days, my milk output is lower than I expected. I look at the bottle and ask myself, I've been trying so hard. Is it enough? Sometimes, the hardest part isn't the physical exhaustion. It's the pressure in my own mind. I start comparing myself to other moms. I wonder if being older is making this journey more difficult. But then I remind myself, I don't have to be like anyone else. I just need to do the best I can with what I have. At 50, I may not have the same energy I had when I was younger, but I have patience. I have experience. And I understand that the things that truly matter can't always be measured by numbers. Every time I complete a pumping session, it's more than just checking another task off my list. It's a reminder. I'm still doing my best for my baby. This journey may not be easy. There may be days when I want to give up. But I've learned that motherhood isn't about being perfect every single day. It's about continuing to love and care for your baby, even on the days when you're completely exhausted. If you're also pumping in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, remember this. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Every day you keep going is something to be proud of. If this story feels familiar, leave a in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest stories about motherhood, pumping, and starting this journey later in life.